crikey. I forgot how bad this was. Okay, it is 9:48 AM. It is Tuesday the 14th of April, 2020. It is epidemic season, and I am Jason Fairclough. I haven't been here in a long time, so I think I need to clean it. But that isn't the reason why we're here. The reason why we're here is because of this. Just outside my workshop is this sliding door. It's a beautiful sliding door, apart from this mess. I mean, oh yeah, look at that mess. This is gonna be a really tedious job, but first we need to clean that in there. So pretty much, I'm cutting wedges now. I'm cutting these wedges because the ceiling is, the roof is slanted, obviously. I'm putting a big piece of 4x4 as my brace with the acros. So what I'm doing is, these are sitting on top of the roof, whilst that is sitting flat on top of my acros. That makes sense, right? But let's get on with the wedges. Apologies for the hair, that's why I wear the cap. In the times of an epidemic, you can't get a haircut, so yeah, and I'm not shaving my head either. All that was stopping that big door sliding. A screw. I think I've got to take the jumpsuit off of this one. I don't know if you can hear me, but jumpsuit off. That is at least 70 kilos. That is heavy. I can't get this off. They're really old, rusted flatheads, electrician bits, whatever you call them, and it's just solid. I can't get it out.
This is really technical, this. It is technical. What's with camera? I'm recording my stuff now. It's film stuff. Show people my work.
Highly testicle. Yep.
So, I'm not too sure if you can hear me through the mask. That's like Bane, am I right? It's not what we call glamorous joinery or carpentry. This is very much, we're in the peak of epidemic season. I am getting what I can done. I'm not getting paid for any of this. It's part of my workshop, so it needs to get fixed, and this is the only time I can do it. So strike while the iron is hot, as no one says. That's a
that is how rotten that is. I just pulled that out with my hand. I did risk barring on the sheet. To be fair, I wasn't too fussed about doing that. Usually I'd put a piece of timber down to actually bar back onto. It gives you the leverage, as well as the protection of whatever you're pulling against, so you don't damage anything. But because the wood's so rotten underneath, I didn't need any force in particular to actually get the nail out. Well, that was close. Sunny side up. Using 120mm direct fixings, concrete screws, or rapiers. They're all the names that I know of that they're called, or star heads.
Is this fine?
No, it's not. You always say that.
I know, well, I have that many stuff. I've got that much stuff gone missing. I recognised it because it's got my initials welded into the side, SF.
not JF.
Well, you don't anymore.
He's like this all the time. It's good fun though. It's good fun. Gotta be quiet because if he hears me, he'll kill me.
Tell you what, can I say something?
Why did it have a 360 rotation?
Hello? Yeah. Before you lose all your patience and your temper.
What?
Sorry. You do know we put the door the wrong way around. No, don't, no. I'm not too sure if that's right, that, eh?
Yes, it's right.
Where's it go?
Yeah.
You remember that, it hey,
It's my dad's wedge, that.
I'm going back 50
Sadly,
miles
it's not
for that
money
wedge.
though.
Huh?
Sadly, it's not money though. Well, that's the door done. The door's working. I just need to, tomorrow, replace the lintel. Now we tidy up and, as usual. So now, it's probably when I say goodbye. See you for a little while. I hope you enjoyed whatever this was. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. Okay, now that's enough.